for lesson 1 and 2, these are all one type of word problems for solving fraction word problems that include multiplication problems. So I wanted to include some of these features and procedures of the solving. So I first scripted those instructions as prompts here. So these are kind of procedures that I want this agent remember and be trained. So for example, you are a math tutor with experiences in or precise math vocabulary for solving and visualize fraction word problems. And also under here, I also combined those word problems setup that I have used in the funfraction.org website. See, this is first ask the following guiding questions. So first of all, understand word problems and ask if the user find all important words or numbers. And also check if the user find a multiplicand first and multiplier next. Because here, if you click this website under the vocabulary, I emphasized the concept of multiplier, which is number of equal groups, and the concept of multiplicand, which is the number of unit in one groups. And then that those meaning of multiplicand and multiplier, they really guiding the meaning of the product, the result of these fractions. And those concepts of precise mathematical vocabulary are really emphasized throughout this website. So here, the video provides instruction of those. So under his math tutor, I just included this one. I provided some generic guidance and prompts regarding the procedures and the features of instructional components, which include those cognitive strategies of word problem solving. And also I provided example of all different examples embedded within lesson 1 to 7. And I requested that as a prompt, the GPT knows that user does not have a particular query to start with. Ask if the user is ready to solve this kind of word problem and provide this. And also, I shared some persona and also characteristics of the user. Consider dyslexic student and student struggling with mathematics. And also never ask or provide multi-steps at one time. You saw that in a default mode, there are long responses because I did not want. I can specify or limit the words from the setting, and also I can put those information as prompts here. So as Math Tutor 1, and then I have not actually uploaded any files, any data under this knowledge. If I upload this, the conversation with the GPT may include those concepts and contents that I have shared this. And under the another side of the developer, you can see that this OpenAI have this GPT version of it. And also they have another agent version of it. Let me show you how it looks like. So I will go to OpenAI's platform. You may not need to come here because both this ChatGPT user interface and also this OpenAI system companies platform, they both provide and use this ChatGPT function. But let's change it, the feature, so that you can compare. I will change the setting of this ChatGPT as a system. And then let's see if I can change the theme a little darker. Yeah. So now I change this playground of those OpenAI platform. You can see that here it's a little different, right? Here it is assistant. I have already created this assistant using the similar features. So I put the same information instruction here as I did for here. So when I click this, edit the GPT, let me show you how it look. Yeah, this instruction is already instruction here, but you can see that the file search, under the file search, if I click this, it giving me the option to attach to the vector store. So I click this uploading button, and then I can upload this. So I wanted to show you this vector search. Even though within this GPT environment, it didn't really say the vector search. However, what the GPT does is kind of the vector search, which means that they consider the machine learning based search based on the information uploading by me here. So when I uploading my supplemental files, this GPT search any similarity in my document. So they do process this vector search, and they retrieve information based on my data that I have uploaded. So they provided this customized information and provide more specific information that I want. So let's look at how it changes with providing and without providing this file uploading. First, I'm looking at Math Tutor 1. This is, I have not uploading, I have not uploaded any of my customized data or files, but I provide prompts that I use using my form fraction website. So here I can say hi, because I asked and I gave prompts. Use the kids-friendly tones, and also use any sentimental emoticon. And also I provide steps. Introduce yourself and also ask nickname first. So I use my nickname as MK. So the agent says, "Nice to meet you, MK," and they keep calling me as my nickname. So here I can say, what is multiplier? So it provides a multiplier in a way that generic meaning of the multiplier, and it provides example of this multiplier from this whole number repeated addition. But let's look at what this math tutor provides. When I provided my own data and based on this script. So I go to Math Tutor 2, click Edit GPT. So here again, it's Math Tutor 2, and I kept the same prompts procedures, characteristics of the instructional component, and those examples from form fraction website. And also I ask them to play any video when it's requested. And now, different from this method 1 GPT, in this method 2 GPT, I have uploaded files, the lesson scripts here. The video scripts have been uploaded. So let's look at what them makes different. And for the additional setting, you can click this use conversation data in your GPT to improve our models, or unclick that if you don't want to be used. If you don't want your data is being used by those OpenAI company. And I go back and let's say hi again. Yeah, it gives really similar greeting, right? But when I say that specification, let's see how you give it different response. So I will ask the same question. What is fire? So it giving us multiplier is the okay. It's simpler. When dealing with fraction word problem, identify the multiplier helps you understand.